Kendi with Empower Network /pink, and I just wanted to show you what it means to really love a book. I was looking for my Think and Grow Rich book, and here it is. I don't know if you can see that, but it's old. It's really old. I mean, my version is really old. It's old anyway, but I mean, it's crazy. It is, I'm holding my camera so it's hard to show you, but I mean, it's tattered, it's discolored, it's got all kinds of tabs and highlights and all kinds of stuff in it. It's pitiful, really. If Napoleon Hill saw this, I don't know if he'd be pleased or displeased. But anyway, you really need to read. Reading is one of our 8 core steps. It should be included in anybody's success formula. So whatever you're struggling with right now, whether it's focus, consistency, scheduling, balance, anything, there are books out there. So just make sure that you're getting at least a half an hour to an hour of reading in a day. And if you can't do that, throw a tape in the car. There's a ton of books, audiobooks on those topics. So do whatever you have to do to improve the aspects of your life that you want to improve so that you can maintain balance. But anyway, I'm going to go. My phone is ringing, and I will talk to you later. Bye. It's Gail Gending.